Hey, what's up guys? Joe here and welcome to 365 WebX. So today I'll be showing you guys how to increase your memory. So if I bring you guys to okay, so guys, I have this website here, and I'm using newspaper, right? I'm using newspaper theme, but one of the requirements for this theme and a whole lot of themes out there is the WP memory limit. So automatically WordPress set it on at 40 MB. You can see it right here. Let me zoom in so that you can see what I'm talking about. So you can see that the WP memory limit is 40 MB. All right. So now here is a recommendation. They are saying at least 256 MB should be used. So here we are. Everything is fine except for this. So, and for some reasons it's affecting the website. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. So to fix this, let me okay, so right here I have the I'm at the back end of this website, and I'm going to double click on public underscore HTML right folder right there. I just love the way Hostinger arranged files in their cPanel. It's so you know easy to navigate, and but that's not why we're here. Let's treat why we're here. So double click on your WP. Sorry, that's not where we're going. So once we're here, you want to locate your wp dash config.php, which you can see right here. So I'm going to double click on it, right? It opens, and now come with me. Let me zoom in. I don't know. I don't just like zooming in the edits. Don't like to edit much. So now where you want to paste, put in the code that I'm going to, of course, put under the description is where it says we're going to look. Where I'm looking for where it says that's or stop editing. Okay, see this place. Stop editing line. You want to come right here and paste this code that I have under the description. So, or you can type it. Type this is define. All right, and of course you enter. Just copy it the way it is here, and it's a very easy stuff. So, and then save, and let's go back to our site and refresh. Yes, you can see that we have successfully increased our memory to 512 megabyte. Okay, you can do maybe 100 120 150 to 5 whichever number that you wish to use. It's all fine. All right, so here it is, and that is all that, guys. Thank you for watching, and of course I want to thank you once again for helping the channel to grow. Please do subscribe and hit the notification button. Of course, I've been busy lately, but I'm back, and I promise you I'm gonna be dropping videos 3 times in a week. Oh yes, I'll be dropping videos 3 times in a week. So guys, thank you, and see you.